a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Wanted to record a quick video before the look of this changes again. I just installed the front lip, and I don't think I made a video with the yellow calipers covers. Back up a little bit. The other side of it here. Car was super dirty after we got back from the road trip. So able to kind of clean it up pretty well. Found a lot of new scratches. There's the lip that I installed the other day. So far it hasn't fell off, so it's a good thing. As you can see, there's a lot of chips and stuff. Luckily we have the PPF on the front. I don't know if you can see that, but definitely recommend it if you don't want to scratch your paint, because if we didn't have that PPF stuff, you would see a lot of chips, as you can see. Luckily all this is on the PPF. So would I recommend it? Yeah, I would definitely recommend the PPF if you don't want to scratch your paint. The sucky part is we didn't PPF this, so might have to get some touch-up paint there. Might be changing those calipers soon. Just wanted to see what the yellow looked like. What else happened? Got a little chip here as well. You can probably see that. There's a little chip on the windshield from the road trip. But what can you do? It's a car. Right. Might have a few updates in the next couple of days. Might be changing out the calipers, but subscribe, stay up to date. Might have some different color calipers. Originally had some red ones on there. I didn't take a video of it, but you can see it on my previous video. So if you want to see the red calipers, you can see it on the road trip to Pagosa Springs. I have some different color calipers, just trying to see which goes well with the copper wheels. Alright, see you guys on the next video. One more look at the spoiler. Definitely gives it an aggressive look. I likes it. Alright.